Hello students, start to the next lesson, paper second, logic gates and sequential circuit. What is the means by logic gate? This is a relation between mathematics and logic by the means Boolean expression. This is the importance of a logic gate. Means mathematically operation आपण logic gate मध्ये perform करणार आहोत. Then what is a logic gate? It is a electronic circuit which has a one or many inputs but only one output. This is the logic gates. Means more than inputs तुम्ही provide करणार आहात but तुम्हाला output हे एकच भेटणार आहे. This called as a logic gate. Then introduction, a sequential circuit, combinational logic circuit that consists of input variables x, logic gates and output variable. Combinational circuit produce an output based on the input variable only, but a sequential circuit produces an output based on a current input and previous input variables. Then logic gates, look at this diagram, sequential logic circuit tutorial. This is a input combinational logic circuit and give to memory storage by the previous state and positive feedback. This is a clock signal provided by the memory. This is a previous state by the combinational logic circuit, then executing by the working for the logic gate and get it output. This is a logic gate diagram. Then next one, the different types of a logic gate. Study few related terms. First is a logic, second one is a truth table, third one is a Boolean equation, then last one is a symbol. What is the mean by logic? It is the statement which is the gives condition for a high output. Logic may be few terms of the high logic and low logic, true or false and 1 or 0, etc. This is a logic performing. Then next one is a truth table. What is the mean by truth table? The table in which a logic is expressed by the taking all positive combination of inputs and respective outputs. This is the truth table. Then next one is a Boolean equation. This is the mathematical equation representing particular gate for the input and output. This called as a Boolean equation. Means Boolean equation मध्ये input and output दोघं आपल्याला परफॉर्म करावं लागणार आहे. Then last one is a symbol. Each gate is represented by a logical symbol like a register symbol. There are 6 different types of a logic gate. Then next, computers and electricity. What is a gate? A device that performs a basic operation on electrical signals. This called as a gate. And circuit, this is a gates combined to perform more complicated tasks. This called as a circuit. Then computers and electricity. How do we describe the behavior of gates and circuit? Means Boolean expression. This is a uses Boolean algebra, a mathematical notation for a expression two value logic. This is a logic diagram, a graphically representation of a circuit. Each gate has its own symbol. Mean प्रत्येक याच्यासाठी आपण सेपरेट सिम्बॉल बघणार आहोत. Then last one is a truth table, a table showing all possible input value and the associated output values. Then gates, 6 types of gates: not, and, or, XOR, NAND, NOR. This is the 6 types of gate. The logic diagram are black and white with the gates distinguished only by their shape. We use color for and fun. Then first is a NOT gate. A NOT gate accepts one input signal 0 or 1 and returns the opposite signal as a output. Means Boolean expression x is equal to a, then logic diagram symbol, NOT gateचा हा symbol आहे a, then rectangle, this is x, this is a symbols of a NOT gate. Then truth table, a and x is a output, a is a input. 0 जर तुम्ही इनपुट दिला, आउटपुट काय भेटणार आहे तुम्हाला 1. इनपुट जर 1 दिलेला असेल तर आउटपुट काय भेटणार आहे तुम्हाला 0. दिस इज अ व्हाइस वर्सा. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज अ AND गेट. AND गेट accept 2 input signal. If both are the 1, the output is a 1, otherwise the output is a 0. Then Boolean expression x is equal to a dot b. This is a logic diagram symbol. This is a 2 input required from the AND gate. Look at this truth table. 2 input a b, this is the input, and x is the output. 0 0 output is a 0, 0 1 output is a 0, 1 0 output is a 0, then 1 1 output is a 1. Then next one is a OR gate. OR gate accept 2 input signal. This is a both are 0, the output is a 0, and otherwise is a output is a 1. Means Boolean expression is a plus b, and logic diagram symbol is a and b, it is a input, and x it is a output. Truth table a b, this is a 0 0, output is a 0, 0 1 output is a 1, 1 0 output is a 1, 1 1 output is a 1. This is a OR gate. XOR gate. And XOR gate accept 2 input signal. If the both are the same, the output is a 0, otherwise the output is a 1. Then Boolean expression a plus or circle b, then logic diagram of a symbol XOR gate, then truth table 0 0 answer is a 0, 0 1 answer is a 1, 1 0 answer is a 1, then 1 1 answer is a 0. Then XOR gate. Note the difference between the XOR gate and the OR gate. They difference only in a one input situation. The both input signal are 1, the OR gate produce a 1 and the XOR produce a 0. XOR is called the exclusively OR. Then NAND gate. The NAND gate accept 2 input signal. If both are the 1, the output is a 0, otherwise output is a 1. Then Boolean expression a dot b, this is a logic diagram of a symbol NAND gate. Then truth table 0 0 answer is a 1, 0 1 answer is a 1, 1 0 answer is a 1, 1 1 answer is a 0. This is a truth table of a NAND gate. Then NOR gate. The NOR gate accept 2 input signal. If the both are the 0, the output is a 0, otherwise output is a 0. Then Boolean expression a plus b, then logic diagram symbol of a NOR gate, then truth table 0 0 answer is a 1, 0 1 answer is a 0, 1 0 answer is a 0, 1 1 answer is a 0. Then review of the gate processing. A NOR gate inverts its signal input, and AND gate produces 1 if both input values are 1, and OR gate produces 0 if both input values are 0. Then XOR produces 0 if input values are the same. Then a NAND gate produces 0 if the both inputs are 1. Then a NOR gate produces 1, then both inputs are 0. Then this is a diagram of the name, semantic representation, truth table, Boolean notation, and vertical notation. A NOR gate, this is a symbol, then truth table, this is a Boolean equation, then assigned to vertical notation. Same way OR gate, truth table, Boolean equation, then AND gate, symbol, truth table, Boolean equation, then NOR gate, symbol, Boolean equation, then truth table, then NAND gate, symbol, truth table, Boolean equation, then XOR exclusively OR, this is a symbol, truth table, then Boolean equation. This is the table format of a logic gate. Then De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem, this is a two types of a theorem. First theorem, a dot b is equal to a plus b. This is a first theorem. This is the diagrams of a De Morgan's theorem. A b, this is the input, a dot b, this is a output, then a plus b, this is a output. Second theorem, a plus b is equal to a dot b. This is a vice versa of a first theorem and second theorem. AB, this is output, sorry, AB, this is a input, and a plus b, this is a output. Same way, next diagram. Then addition and subtraction. A dot b is equal to a plus b is equal to a dot b. 0 0 a dot b, this is a table format, 1, then answer will be 1. A plus b, answer will be 1, then a dot b, answer will be 1. हे आपण प्रिवियस टेबलमधून घेतलेले व्हॅल्यू आहे. देन 0 1, answer will be 1, then a plus b, answer will be 1, then a plus b, answer will be 1, then last answer will be 0. Then 1 0, आउटपुट जर 1 0 असतील, आन्सर काय असणार आहे आपलं, a डॉट बी 1, a प्लस बी 1, a प्लस बी 0, देन a डॉट बी 0. देन ए बीची जर व्हॅल्यू आपल्या 1 1 जर इनपुट दिले तर आन्सर काय असणार आहे, ऑल अबाउट आन्सर इज अ 0. देन नेक्स्ट, दिस इज अ परफॉर्मिंग ऑफ द ॲडिशन. a इज इक्वल टू 0, b इज इक्वल टू 0, देन बुलियन इक्वेशन a प्लस बी, आन्सर काय, a काय आपला 0, b काय आपला 0 इज इक्वल टू 0. बट टेबलमध्ये काय आपलं a आणि b जर 0 असलं, आन्सर काय असणार आहे आपलं 1. सेम वे a डॉट b 0 डॉट 0 इज इक्वल टू 1 डॉट 1, आन्सर इज अ 1. सेम वे a प्लस b इज इक्वल टू a डॉट b. दिस इज अ डी मॉर्गन्स थेरम. सेम वे नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1. Same way, this is a 0 plus 1, this is the answer is a 1, this is a vice versa 0 answer. Then a dot b, this is a 0 and 1, this is a, assume that a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. त्या व्हॅल्यू आपण इथे पुट केलेले आहे फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये. 1 डॉट 0, दिस इज अ आन्सर इज अ 0. दिस इज अ डी मॉर्गन्स थेरम, a plus b and a dot b. Same way, next equation. Then thank you students, keep watch my video.